Well, good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm doing a little video. As you can see on your screen, about right there, and about 10 feet away from me or so, is a piece of shit blow dryer, as my mom would like to call it. And she's given me a special contract of teaching that blow dryer a lesson it'll never forget. Yes, I'm trying to do a mafia impersonation, but I'm not. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my High Point 4095 and whack it. So let's get right at it. Vaya con Dios, blow dryer. Woohoo! Well, that was fun. Let's go ahead and have a look at the damage. I swear, shooting that carbine is fun. Like, so much fun, you never want to stop. Oh, this sucker's been wasted. Well, that's the end of that. So, this video is for you, Mom. I have taken care of your blow dryer thing, and whoever watches this video. So, that concludes that for today, ladies and gentlemen. Adios. Take care now. Bye-bye.